ServiceNow Sourcing and Procurement Operations, or SPO, connects procurement activities on one platform. It automates workflows and eliminates manual work. SPO automates processes across existing systems, streamlining sourcing and procurement from intake to receipt. Self-service capabilities minimize routine inquiries through knowledge articles and procurement process visibility. Employees and procurement professionals organize, prioritize, and complete work in the same platform. SPO offers three primary use cases: procurement case management, sourcing operations, procurement operations that address different procurement needs. In procurement case management, SPO provides a single entry point for unstructured employee procurement requests. Scattered emails and manual tracking are replaced with structured automated processes. Playbooks, automated case creation, and advanced work assignment deliver process guidance, compliance, and efficiency. In sourcing operations, SPO centralizes requests, negotiations, and supplier management. The workflow supports incremental adoption from simple sourcing requests to advanced capabilities. Automated sourcing workflows enable organizations to increase sourcing efficiency, to focus more on strategy and cost savings objectives. With procurement operations, employees can use the virtual agent chat in Employee Center to search for products and services and submit purchase, sourcing, or off-catalog requests. Once submitted, requests can be viewed and tracked in Shopping Hub, a consumer-style portal for requesting goods and services from external suppliers. Teams manage cases, purchase requisitions, purchase orders, and sourcing requests in the Source-to-Pay Workspace. Now Assist converts natural language requests into structured actions, saving procurement teams time and reducing errors. Smart summaries in the Source-to-Pay Workspace and Shopping Hub help requesters and fulfillers understand status and key details of procurement records, like requisitions, orders, sourcing events and cases, and act faster with less manual effort. Agentic AI deploys intelligent automation for high-volume, low-complexity tasks, freeing users for strategic work. ServiceNow Sourcing and Procurement Operations automates processes across existing systems, streamlining sourcing and procurement from intake to receipt.